We are going to introduce the best method for bypassing iCloud running iOS 12, 13 and 14. We have an iPhone with an activation lock. The running iOS was 12.5.5. All iCloud bypass system is closed now. This tool is free for use. Remember, iPhone needs to jailbreak for using that tool. The running iOS was 12.5.5. If you are an Windows user, link on the video description how you can jailbreak your iPhone by Windows PC. I am here using Mac to jailbreak. Now the jailbreak is complete. This file needs to be pre-installed on your PC before doing this process of bypass. Install latest net framework. Install iTunes and driver. Install Python. Download the required file from the below description. Extract it if the file name was long, then rename it as F3AR only. If it open file from the desktop, then change the file location to drive C. Try to open from F3AR folder. If fail to open this app, then go to Toolbox and open F3AR application. Again fail, then use VPN service for once if the app failed to open. Connect iPhone once, that automatically checked by software and find the device information. If you are using first time that software, then you have to register from your Gmail and check the code on Gmail for login. Click on Hello Untethered. This may take some time and process was complete. Now simply follow the setup process. Now iCloud bypass is done. Let's check by restart once. Open without any problem. If you have any query about the video, feel free to comment below. We'll respond to your comment as fast as possible. If you fix your stuff with the help of this video, then drop your feedback. If you get even a little bit of value from this, then do like to share this video. Subscribe to support us. Hello everyone, this is Akash from the Solution and peace out till the next time.